Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to change the charging system, one set. Okay, the first thing you have to open down here. Okay, you open this clip, just open this small cover here. There's a four square you need to take out. You just find something flat like this, open this one, remove this cover. Okay, then you take out this four screw here. After you take out the four screw, remove the SIM tray. Put it one side. If you have nails, you can use your nails, just open it right round. If you don't have nails, you still use your own tools, just open it. Open the cover right round. Okay, remove the back cover, the one side. Now you need to take out this cover here. Put the screw one side because it's different with the one down. Disconnect the battery terminal. So that screw here. Okay, take out this cover. This cover have a clip here, so you have to remove the clip. Just try to open it like this. There's a clip here. Okay, take it out. Then you remove the battery. Just try to open and force open it. Take out the battery. Okay, disconnect the charging system. Okay, remove it. Then you replace the new one. Just connect charging system here. Connect it very nice. And make way for the battery to rest. Just push the connector inside properly like this. And put the charging system down here. Okay, and make way also for the battery this side. Okay, make way for the battery. Very nice to rest here. Okay, then you put back the battery. Connect the battery connector again. Okay, fix back this cover you take out. Just make sure the clip go inside properly, slide it in. Okay, then you press the window so the clip will rest properly. And replace back the two screws you take out. Okay, put back the back cover. Close it right now. Okay, replace back the four screw you take out here. Don't forget the middle screw is long. The one close to the charging system is longer than the two at the corner. So make sure you put them all the right places. Place this one very nice. Okay. Then put back this back cover. Put it very nice like this. Close it. It has clip. Make sure the clips rest properly and then you close the clip. Okay. Don't forget put back the SIM tray. Okay. Then you put the phone on charge to try the charging system. As you can see, the charging already show. That means charging system is okay. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.